Hello, today we're going to be looking at WIBU key administration. To update a WIBU key to the new expiry date or to have an alternate ESD, first you'll need to start the Mircom WIBU key API by selecting the icon on your desktop. You can use the link ESD Portal in the API to access the ESD website. Plug in the master key and click on Proceed. You should get the option of Administrator Login and Download. Select Administrator Login. If you only get Download, then you do not have a master key plugged into your computer. Enter in the email address and password of your account, and then select Login. You should now see the dashboard. On the dashboard, it will show you the ESD number of your account, the expiry date of your account, the eligible panels, and by hovering over the number, it will show the panels in which that you can program using your WIBU key, and the number of active keys. My WIBU keys will show a list of the active keys that you should have on your account. You can select the action button on, say, one of the keys in order to bring up the information on said key. The serial number cannot be changed, and the technician number is added in sequentially as you add more keys to your account. The expiry date is when the key will stop working. This can be any date up to the date your account expires. This allows you to have shortened expiry on a key for your own administrative purposes. Key version should always be 1 unless you need to program a FlexNet version 10 panel. Your account will need to allow access for this panel to allow for you to choose version 0 for the programming of these panels. The first and last name can be changed to allow you to identify the technician that owns the key. Alternate ESD and alternate ESD expiry dates are used when taking over a panel originally installed by another company. These are assigned to your account by Mircom. While you can have multiple alternate ESDs available on your account, only one can be assigned to any one key. Your PIN number is the number the technician needs to enter to use the key. This can be used for security measures to ensure the key cannot be used if lost. By entering 0, it disables the PIN usage of the key. The comment is where you can store notes for later reference. Update to have the key automatically updated the next time it is used to log in to the ESD website. Check master to have this key to be used to access the administrative area. You can have multiple master keys. This would be the normal situation if you have offices in multiple cities. And check lost if the key has been lost or stolen. The next time the key logs into the ESD website, it will be updated so it will no longer be valid. If you find the key, you can uncheck this flag and allow it to be used again. Click on Update to save your changes to the ESD website. If the key is currently plugged in, it will be updated immediately. Otherwise, it will be updated the next time it logs into the website. Close will lose any changes that you have made. Now, for example, if you've emailed in to training@mircomgroup.com and requested an alternate ESD be applied to your account, the training administrative team will apply that alternate ESD to your account. You will then need to go in, select the appropriate key with the technician that needs that alternate ESD, and select the alternate ESD in the alternate ESD area. For example, 1008. The alternate ESD expiry date would have been set by our training administrative team. Right? We can now select Update and then click Update to update the key. Now on our administrative side, we have made sure that James D's key has been flagged for update. Right? Now we can make contact with James and notify him that his key has now been flagged for update. James could then go to the ESD website, ensure that his WIBU key is plugged in, select Proceed. Because he is not a master, he will only have the download. He will select Download, and his key will automatically be updated. He will then be on the ESD website where he'll have access to download various software configurators or firmwares. Back in the administrative view, If you were to refresh after getting notified from James that he has updated his key, you'll see that the update pending has now been removed. Along with updating the various keys that you have in your possession, you can go onto My Account, where you'll be able to update the account information. So the email address used for the account administrator, the company name, which cannot be changed, but you can change the administrator of the account, the address and location of the company, phone number, fax, and the mother's maiden name. Now, mother's maiden name is used for password recovery. You can also update your password by typing in your current password along with the new password and confirming the new password and selecting update. If you need to activate new keys, ensure that your new key has been plugged in to your computer and select activate. This will then activate a new technician key, which will be applied to the dashboard with a new technician number in sequential order. If you need to order a new key, simply add in the quantity you would like to order along with the purchase order number and select order. Once you have selected order, an email will be automatically generated that will be sent into the training group for review. In the downloads section, we'll have access to the various configuration softwares and firmwares for the various panels that we have to use with the WIBU key. Once you are done with the site, you can select log out and it will log you out of the WIBU site.